Today, we're checking out Layerpath, an AI-powered platform that helps you create, embed, and share product tours, how-to guides, and promo videos. Layerpath can instantly transform simple screen recordings into polished feature walkthroughs, product how-to guides, and sales demos. To get started, install the browser extension and jump into Layerpath's unified dashboard. After hitting record, simply walk through your workflow step by step. Once you're done, Layerpath will convert your screen recording into 3 interactive formats: tour, guide, and video. Tours are great for showcasing products to end users, guides can support knowledge-based documentation, and videos can be used for promotional content. Layerpath's editing dashboard is where you'll go to customize design and functionality. You can add additional slides, create forms, insert buttons, add links, and completely customize slide layouts using visual effects. Layerpath's AI can even add stronger copy, nuanced descriptions, and additional details to enhance the demo. And with the AI voiceover tool, you can add a voiceover to the entire demo.
Open your HubSpot CRM dashboard.
You can also modify any part of your video, like the zooms, voiceovers, and animations. From there, you can download your video as an MP4 or GIF file. Exporting guides is easy too. Just add background music, update the background color, and render everything in the highest resolution and frame rate settings. You can publish guides as URLs, add them to Notion, paste them into Google Docs, and export them as HTML or an MDX knowledge base file. And then there's the brand kit, which lets you automate themes, fonts, logos, canvas backgrounds, and AI voiceovers across all your tours, guides, and videos. Turn all those sketchy screen recordings into professional tours, guides, and videos with one platform. Click that Buy Now button to get lifetime access to Layerpath today.